10th generation Civic came out in 2016, and this year, Honda Canada for 2018 has released a new special edition model. Very exciting. I want to take a couple minutes, show you around this vehicle, and give you the highlights of this new special edition package. So one of the biggest additions to this new special edition package comes down to Honda Sensing. Honda Sensing is a safety package that includes a few different features. I just want to highlight some of the areas that refer to this package. So the first one is you've got a camera in the top part of the screen. The vehicle has a lane keeping assist system, which actually puts steering input in to help keep you centered in your lane. Collision mitigation braking system, which also utilizes the radar system just down here in the front portion of the bumper to detect if a vehicle pulls out in front of you and needs to brake in an emergency situation. There's also a forward collision warning. So if someone again pulls out in front of you, just as a distance warning, it will come up on the dash and prompt you with audible and visual alerts. Also includes lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, which is probably my favorite feature. The vehicle actually will slow down the traffic in front of you and mitigate your speed on the highway. So one of my favorite features in this new Civic SE is the keyless access entry system, where you can actually, just by holding the key, lock and unlock the vehicle just by touch. In the key fob also comes included Honda's remote start system, which normally would cost about $800 to install. The engine package in the new SE model is the 2-liter, 158 horsepower Earth Dreams engine. It's 158 horsepower, which is actually 15 horsepower more than the previous generation 1.8, and achieves 6 liters per 100 combined. Upgraded from the original 16-inch steel wheel, Honda's included an aluminum alloy 16-inch, which really finishes off the whole package quite nicely. So like with all 10th generation Civics, you get capless fueling system. This door is actually locked with the key fob. So to finish off the look of this car, Honda's included a lip spoiler on the truck. They've also included chrome SE badging. The 10th generation Civic comes with a lot of awesome technology inside, and they've really taken this SE model up a level. Things like leather steering wheel, which gives you awesome traction, really allows you to feel the command of the road. You also get push button start. So the push button start system in this car is actually illuminated by putting your foot on the brake pedal and turns red when the vehicle's running. Very convenient. The 2018 Civic SE is all about added value, including the Honda Sensing, the alloy wheels, the push button start, rear spoiler, leather steering wheel. All of these items would add up to about $4,000, and Honda's giving it to you for only $1,500 over the price of the LX model. Shout out to Jason Armstrong, Drive with Skoka, for letting us use their photo booth today. It's a new addition, which will be taking all of our online pictures in this area. This is gonna be weird. First one is the leather steering wheel, which gives you excellent traction.